All right, what's next?
Next, we're gonna talk about turning, left, right,
Which is
and
interior and
interior and exterior.
yes. So the turns interior, exteriors, 180, 360, slow, fast, and the turn stop reverse.
Yes, this,
Okay.
yes, this the turn stop reverse is a little it is a sauce we're gonna put on the turn.
Something fun. So you are, like we said before, you are in a kompa posture. You go into open before starting your turn. Something important to the followers, ladies, when you're holding his hand, don't come and hold here. Sometimes we have a tendency to just hold very tight. Keep it nice, loose, and relaxed. So you're not holding here, it's nice and relaxed here, so that when it goes into open posture and starts his turn, your hands are free and he's free to do his
The turn.
maneuver.
Yes. We're gonna start with the turn
Interior.
interior first.
So your interior turn. So by keeping the hand nice and loose, you are able to do what? Here.
And also, I'm able to do this and put my hand like this, and then I just guide her, lead her to the turn. Okay. I don't hold her hands. That's very important. I don't hold her hands to do the turn. Okay. I just give her the direction. I just lead her to go this way, and I keep on lead still right here. Okay. And she's gonna feel that direction. Also, when I do this, her hands, my hands is up like this, I do a little bit of switch. Start here, from there, and I do this switch here on top. I don't know if the cameraman can look at it for me, please. It's very important when I do this.
Commence en haut ici.
Yeah, when I go this from here, and I do the turn from there, and then she's turn.
Meaning if he goes up with his hand, that doesn't mean you start turning. I have to wait for you lead, right?
Exactly, yes.
Okay. So this was interior because I was coming to.
Yeah, that's interior coming from here. Okay. Now the exterior, and from this side, that means my hands right here. I open this, and something a little bit tricky also. When I do go this right here, I just keep my hands, and then automatically her hands turn in my hand. You see, turn, turn, and I do the interior, and I don't hold her hands.
And I'm not holding either.
And then my hands, this stay open. That way she can turn. Do it again. You see? I just give her the support. This support. Okay? And for her to turn. Okay? Again. Turn, 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 turn. From here and then.
Down. Leaders, when you're turning, are you still dancing?
Yes, it's a very important to show. Now we're showing the movement turn, but in the compa, when we do the turn, always keep the hips. It's very, very important, okay? Meaning, if I go this for turn interior.
He continue his basic steps at all times.
Exactly. When I do the turn exterior, and I do this.
Ladies, first, my second hand, I keep it nice and available so that, let's say, finish his turn, I'm here, and bang, he's ready if he wants to do something else.
Exactly.
Num-
And go ahead.
Number one. Number two, when I finish the turn, I'm in front of my partner. So the good way is, I finish turning, I'm right here. If I do it in another angle, you're gonna see exactly that I finish where I'm supposed to finish. What we don't like to see is I'm turning and then I'm just not caring of where I finish. It causes problem because if he had something in his mind to do next, I'm not in the right spot. So always finish where you started, right here.
And also, is something that's very important also. And now we show I use my right hand to do the turn, but you can use the both hands. Okay, we can use the other hands, not both at the same time, but we can use the other hands also. The left hand, and you can do the interior, and I can use the the left also, I can do the exterior. Same thing.
Right here. Ladies, the leader will give you direction, but the rhythm of the turn is yours, unless he gives you a rhythm. Sometimes he might tell you go fast, so there's a certain move he wants to do and it's faster. You're gonna feel the speed, but if he didn't give you speed, it's all yours. So right now he's giving me direction, inside turn. But then I can decide to go very slow with it because the music tells me that's what I feel like doing. But he gives me the direction for a turn and I can decide I'm going fast because the music tells me to. And you can mix both, meaning you are here, I started slow, and then bang, I finished fast because I felt like it. So that's the freedom of the turns. So interior, exterior. Sheila just said that you can start your interior and outside turns with any hands.
Any hands, yes.
Some turns you'll have to start a certain way, but this is later on. So what's next? It's the stop and reverse.
The stop in reverse. Yeah, do the stop in reverse. The same thing. We use the turn interior, and my hand, the left hand is free. And then when she right here, and I hold her back, and then I stop her, and then I make her do the other way. Okay? I mean.
So is your right in left?
Yes.
Interior. I feel the stop. Reverse. Can you do it from the other side too?
Can do the other side.
Boom, boom, boom.
Okay. If I ask you a question at home, okay, and the question, and if I do this and I stand, what is missing, like right there? Doing this.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay, guys, when you're doing the turns, you don't stand not doing nothing. It's important to use do the pas marqué, okay, with the hips. Ta, 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 stop, ta, 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 stop. Okay, that's what it looks like when you do the pas marqué. But to teach it, and we show you the movement like this: go, turn, turn, stop, turn, turn, stop, and the same way again: stop, stop.
Ladies, when he's doing that move, he's gonna start the turn here. You're gonna feel the stop, but your basic step is not done. Finish it, bang, and then continue on. So you're putting style into it. That means, oh, I feel the touch here, but I'm not gonna, oh, I feel the touch, I come back. No, you have to lean into it. And then, so it creates a momentum. It creates let's do it again. It creates that I feel like he's pushing me to the other side. So always finish your step. I'm here, I finish it, and then I come back. Okay. Are we ready to put it all together?
We're going to put everything together.
So with the music, we'll start with interior, exterior turns, reverse and come back. And of course, your 360, 180, like we did in the posture video. And of course, you're gonna see the meringue, the dodomea, a little bit of everything. But we'll be calling the
interior, the turns.
Yes.
Kobam tombe, go.
So, Kopa posture, basic step.
Boom, boom, boom.
360. Open posture. Hey. Interior turn. Exterior. We here. Let's do a little meringue. When you're ready. Marqué. Collet serré. 180. Turn, reverse, come back. The other side. Here at this side to go slow. Fast. Slow. Fast. Hey.
Et puis on y va avec le pas direct.
What?
Le pas
What
direct.
did you say?
Yes, sir, we're gonna do the pas direct.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Enjoy the vibe.
We're going forward. We go. And we stay here. Let's go.
All right, one last time. Turn. Outside turn. Now we're in an open posture. Konpa. Konpa posture.